Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Spotify app for offline downloads and syncing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update the Spotify app for offline downloads and syncing, follow these simple steps. First, ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open the App Store on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, locate and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Spotify and press enter. Once the search results appear, find the Spotify app. If an update is available, you will see an option to update. Tap on the update button to start downloading the latest version. The app will automatically install once the download is complete. After the update finishes, close the App Store. Now, locate the Spotify app on your device and open it. Log into your account if prompted. To enable offline downloads, navigate to your library. Select the playlist or album you want to download. Look for the download toggle switch, usually located at the top of the playlist. Slide the toggle to the right to begin downloading. Spotify will indicate when the download is complete with a check mark. Your songs are now available for offline listening. To sync your downloaded music across devices, ensure you are logged into the same Spotify account on all devices. Open the app on the second device and go to your library. Downloaded songs will appear here, ready for playback. That's it. Your Spotify app is now updated for offline downloads and syncing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.